We have a mutual friend who is very sick. Maybe dying.
Who?
Cole. James Cole.
You're probably looking for my mother. I'm not that kind of a doctor. I'm a physicist.
Please listen to me. We need to talk.
Well, maybe you call my office in the morning.
There is no time. If you don't help me, Cole will die. And I won't let that happen.
Cole. What the hell are you doing? Aaron. Christ. Aaron. I thought you were Scav.
What's that?
Scavenger. For my time, I'm gonna help.
She wouldn't tell me. She doesn't tell me much anymore, just that all this splintering is killing you. But she knows someone who can help. Hey! Hey, Cole.
Aaron.
Cassie, he's not breathing.
Does he have a pulse?
No, there's nothing.
Okay, he's in cardiac arrest. He needs epinephrine. Go into the kitchen and get my medical bag. There's a hypodermic needle in there in a gray box. Hey!
Okay, I got it. Now what? Cassie, how do I do this?
Shit! Okay, it goes in his thigh. What's happening?
It's not working. Cassie. Wait. He's breathing.
How long was I asleep?
You've been in and out of it for the last few days. I wouldn't exactly call what you were doing sleeping. I've seen boxing matches that look more restful.